book. Let's start. For water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You do have here the Sun, Ace of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. Queen of Wands, the Strength card, and the Judgment. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, guys, ha? Kasi hindi naman talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Pero kung nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading ay para sa'yo. Kunin mo lang yung message na tingin mong para sa'yo. Okay, let's start. Okay. So nakikita natin dito with the Sun, I feel like you're happy. No? Nakakita natin ng happiness sa'yo. Maybe because you're dealing with a person na parang and I can see a mother figure, father figure. It doesn't matter kung babae or lalaki. Pero you feel like ramdam mo yung pagpapahalaga, care sa'yo nitong taong ito. You feel like importante ka sa kanya, and malaking bagay yon yung mga pinapakita niyang gesture sa'yo para ma-motivate kang gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawain. Or maybe you are doing or making something na mga bago sa sarili mo. Okay, and you feel motivated dahil sa presensya nitong taong to, like napupush ka niyang gawin yung mga, kahit wala siyang masyadong ginagawang actions, pero nai-inspired ka na gawain itong mga new beginnings because of this person. And the Seven of Cups, I'm feeling like you're daydreaming about this person. Marami ka rin gustong mangyari sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo. But for now, you're just enjoying your present moment. And the Queen of Wands, nakikita natin yung support mula dito sa taong to with the Judgment. Could be someone who is very mature. Strength card, nakakita tayo ng matibay na koneksyon sa inyong dalawa. Queen of Swords, I feel like some of you, maybe, actually both of you nakakita tayo ng energy dito na pareho kayo na parang tinatanggal niya yung pagiging indecisive. Like, for now, pwedeng alam niyo kung anong gusto ninyo sa buhay ninyo, desisyon ninyo sa buhay ninyo, and might be nandun kayo sa part ngayon, or andito kayo ngayon sa parang alam ko kung anong gusto ko sa buhay ko. I'm ready to commit. I'm willing to act. Parang ganon. Kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Kapareho ko mo itong person na ito, ganon din mag-isip. I feel like this person is already matured and meron siya mga huge awakening na nangyayari ngayon. Well, actually, I can see magandang connection, communication. So, kung wala kayong communication, maybe this is not your reading, because this reading, it's telling me na maganda ang connection, communication dito. Emotions for the both of you. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We do have Water sign Philippines na channel. You might want to check it out. Emotions, you do have here the Snake and the Self-Indulgence. Heart with the Key. Date, And actually, nagpakita na tong date kanina sa akin. But, yeah. Emotions na nakikita natin with the snake, I feel like some of you, tinatanggal mo na yung insecurities mo sa sarili mo. You're focusing on your worth. You're loving yourself. You're doing shadow work. Nakikita natin na whatever happened in the past sa'yo, hindi mo na mababago yun, but you are learning to accept whatever this past experiences sa buhay mo, and now, masaya ka sa kung ano yung mga meron sa'yo, mga mangyayari pa sa'yo, and you're focusing on, yung pag-improve sa sarili mo, pag-improve mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and pati sa katawan, mga health. Regarding your health, maybe you're improving yourself. Emotions ng person na to, we do have your heart with the key. So, nakakita tayo dito ng person who is ready or opening up nitong kanyang, there's a lot of new things or new actions na makikita mo dito sa person na to. Perhaps, mga after ilang weeks or months, you will definitely see the new person here. So, maybe hindi ganyan yung pagkakilala mo sa kanya in the past, or medyo iba siya in the past, but now it will be like a person na magkakaroon ng mga new beginnings dito. Some kind of like a new person here. Well, I feel like masyadong sarado ang puso niya or ang emotions niya in the past, but for now, nakikita natin na maaaring open siya sa emotions niya sa'yo at magiging mas open pa siya. Currently, I can see a person who is praying, so pwedeng someone or maybe this person is nagpe-pray siya for you, for everything na nangyayari sa inyo, and could be dealing with someone who is religious person. Queen of Swords is at the bottom of the deck, so this is a person na diretso siya mag-isip and I'm saying like this could be a person, pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng clarity with regards sa kung ano yung gusto niya mangyari sa buhay niya. For now, maring hindi pa siya masyadong nagiging open ngayon, but soon enough, sabi ko nga, maybe a week or so. Could be dealing with the twin flame. Yeah, magiging mas open itong person na to in the near future for you. You do have additional message here. You do have your axe. I want to clarify what's with the axe. What's with the axe here, please? The runner is at the bottom of the deck, and seduction. Whoever this other person na nagiging involved sa connection ninyo, which is meron, I'm seeing the energy here with the runner na aalisan, tatakbuhan, like this person is listening sa bagay na gusto niya. It might be, this could be you, na nakikinig ka sa kung ano yung gusto mo, sinong gusto mo, and then you might be flirting or ready to flirt, and or might be if there's other person you are ready to let go, and same as this person, pareho kayo. Maybe some kind of breakup or separation ang gagawin with that person. By the way, sorry about my voice, medyo hindi ako okay. Pero hindi ko feel na nakahiga lang, parang pahinga or what. But anyway, okay lang yan. Queen of Swords is really showing up here for your near future. Page of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Four of Wands. I will not take this. Masyadong marami. What's with the Four of Wands? Temperance. King of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Magician. Queen of Swords, nakakita tayo dito ng pagka-cut off. Like, I can see some of you, you're cutting off something or someone in your life. Nakakita tayo with the Page of Wands. This could be a person who is immature, someone who is with the Knight of Coins. I mean, parang hindi mo to gusto. Itong person na to, like, hindi mo siya deserve or hindi mo siya gusto. Like, you're just there to help this person sa mga pangangailangan niya or what. And I don't know who this person is. Could be a young person, a child, or some of you could be someone na very immature and you're cutting off this person. So, pwedeng nabigay mo na naman na yung mga kailangan niya eh. And King of Wands, Four of Wands, nakakita tayo ng person. I mean, I can see stability, connection, even marriage para sa iba. With the Temperance, maaaring matagal mo tong hinintay, or this is what you really want, you're manifesting this. And itong person na to is going to show up eventually. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, but the feeling here with the Magician, it's in reverse. So, I will read this in reverse. Naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal dyan. This is at the bottom of the deck. Nakakita tayo dito ng person who is being more open, being more honest. Hindi na siya full of trickery eh. So, might be in the past, punong-puno siya ng trickery. This person could be someone who is getting out of his or her comfort zone. Yan, pwedeng aalis siya sa kanyang comfort zone. And might be in the past natatakot siya magkamali, but alam niya sa sarili niya na this is what I want, this is what I need, and I feel like this person umaalis siya or binibitawan niya yung mga attachments just so maging honest or maging open siya sa'yo. So, maybe situations na feeling niya hindi siya nagbe-benefits dito. Or hindi siya masyadong happy doon. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.